Welcome to this tutorial on how to import bike spot data into QGIS and filter it by a specific suburb using the plugin tool OSM. In this guide, we'll walk through how to bring in the dataset, apply filters to focus on a particular suburb, and extract meaningful insights for local bike safety and the infrastructure planning. So let's get started with the tutorial. So we'll start off by creating a new project and putting in a basic map. And we'll zoom into the Melbourne area because that's where we're going to be working. So if you followed one of the earlier tutorials, we downloaded the bike spot data from the website. Now what we'll do is we'll import that into this project. So we'll open up the folder, find that bike spot data, and then just drop that in. And now you can see that's all the submissions that were posted in by Melbourne residents. So we'll turn that off. What we want to do is create a filter of where we want to see this data. So let's pick an area. Right, we'll do Carlton. So we'll click on the OSM and we'll go to query, and we will quick query actually, we'll go to there. So the key will be place, and then the value will be suburb, and then we'll make that in, and we said Carlton it would be. Alright, we'll search up Carlton, and then we'll just check advanced, make sure relation is ticked, and that should all be ready to run. If it doesn't work, then we'll just try a different suburb. Alright, perfect. So now that's worked. Get out of that. And there you can see Carlton North has been highlighted. If you take off that, you can see, take that point off and we'll hide that, and we'll just leave that one on. Just double click that. I want to change the color and the opacity. And we'll OK that. And when we turn on the bike spot data, you can see all the points in Carlton North. Now what we're going to do is filter the points in the areas of just Carlton North. So we will go over to Processing Toolbox, and in the search bar, extract by location. So we'll open that. So the extract feature from will be the bike spot data, and then we'll compare that to the Carlton North, which is the suburb. Make sure the intersect is the only one that's ticked, and we can click on run. Alright, beautiful. So that's gone through. I'll untick the original bike spot data, and here now you can see that the pink, so I'll change that to red. Those are all the submissions in the Carlton North of the bike issues. So if you want to see what each of these points actually mean, we'll go to layer and open attribute table, and then you can open that and you can see that these are all the submissions. So some people say it was safe spot, unsafe spot, dangerous intersection, no facility. So yeah, that's all the data that you need to know.